Your system has an AutoClose feature that will allow you to establish how long the gate will remain open before automatically closing. The AutoClose time is set using real time and can be set from 6 seconds up to 1 hour. To establish the length of time your gate will remain open, simply push the AutoClose button until you hear a beep and the LED light begins blinking. Each blink represents 1 second. Using either your watch or by counting the number of blinks, wait until the desired time has elapsed, and then push the AutoClose button again and you will hear a beep. Release the button and the AutoClose feature is now set. The LED light will remain on when the AutoClose feature is enabled. This video is designed to be used in conjunction with the installation manual, which contains detailed diagrams, information, and illustrations not shown in this video. The manual also contains a list of tools and other items you may need for proper installation. Please refer to the installation manual when installing your system.